हे गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्पेशलिटीज़ ऑफ डॉक्टर्स पर। डॉक्टरों की खसूसी इकसाम। डॉक्टर्स अपनी स्पेशलाइजेशन की वजह से मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, तो आइए देखते हैं। गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, अ डॉक्टर who is trained to treat the female reproductive system. Gastroenterologist, a doctor who treats digestive organs such as stomach, bowels, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Orthopedic, a doctor who deals with issues relating to the musculoskeletal system, any fracture, pain, and abnormality of muscles and bones. Pediatrician, a doctor who treats children. Psychiatrist, a doctor who diagnoses and treats issues of mental health. Anesthesiologist, a doctor who gives drugs to numb your pain or to put you under during surgery. He monitors your vital signs while you are under anesthesia. Cardiologist, a doctor who deals with the cardiovascular system. He deals with any abnormality in heart and its blood vessels. Dentist, a doctor who deals with oral health. Oral health includes teeth, tongue, and gums. Dermatologist, a doctor that deals with skin, hair, and nail problems. Pulmonologist, a doctor who treats lungs. Neurologist, a doctor who deals with issues relating to the nervous system. Pathologist, a lab doctor who identifies the causes of diseases by examining body tissues and fluids under microscopes. Radiologist, a doctor who uses X-rays, ultrasound, and other imaging tests to diagnose diseases. To learn more, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.